Hi guys, my name is Donna and welcome back to my YouTube channel, No Mirror Needed. So today I thought I would share with you 4 of my favorite go-to traveling outfits if I'm going on a road trip and I plan on driving for a few hours. I know how difficult it could be to pick out really cute, put together and stylish, affordable outfits for yourself. You're not too sure what you should be wearing or what you like or look good in. And I know that if you're driving, you want to be super comfortable, but you also want to look cute. For me, I like to plan a couple of short vacations throughout the summertime. So we have a couple that are coming up this month and next month. So I thought now would be the perfect time to share with you some of my go-to outfits. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm definitely going to try and show you what some of these outfits look like. It's kind of hard because I have a small space. So I'm kind of like in this one little area right now, and hopefully you'll be able to see some of the outfits that I try on. It's also a very rainy day outside, so it's kind of like gloomy out. That's why I figured I'd just stand in front of the window where I would get the most light. So for me, while I'm driving, I want to be very, very comfortable. I usually crank the air conditioner up super high, open up the sunroof, I let in the fresh air. I love that feeling of driving with my open sunroof, but I always get very, very cold. So while I'm driving to whatever destination we're going to, even though it is summertime, I try to just kind of like layer my clothes so I'm not too cold and not too hot. So the outfit that I am showing you today is the very first outfit, and this is sort of like our driving outfit. Now, I obviously don't want to throw on some jeans because they're going to be really tough and very uncomfortable at the waist area, and I don't want something that's cinching me or that I feel like my jeans after a while are going to start hurting, but I also don't want to throw on my biker shorts and my sweatpants because I don't want to really wear some loungewear. You can put together a really cute loungewear outfit if that is totally what you're into, but for the purpose of this video, I want to show you just something a little bit more put together. So I'm wearing this outfit. I think everything that I'm wearing is actually from Old Navy. The pants are these really cute pixie pants. I love the way they look. They really fit very well, but the waist is not so tight that it's going to be hurting me after a couple of hours. So they're pink, they're cute. They're also like, they're a capri pant. So what I like to do is throw on a pair of sneakers. With this outfit, you can totally see my ankles. You can roll up the bottom if you want, and that's really cute. It'll look really summery as well. And while I'm driving, I have to wear a pair of comfortable shoes. I just have to, and sneakers are always my go-to. These are my white Adidas Swift Runs. I have like 3 pairs of these sneakers. They're affordable. These sneakers I think are only like $85. I get them from Nordstrom every single year. Usually buy a new pair every year, and I absolutely love them. So I'll throw on my Swift Runs, and then the shirt that I have underneath is this really cute tank that I just picked up from Old Navy. It says "Come Together Right Now." It's a Beatles song. I love the Beatles. It is a tank, so if I get hot, I can just take this right off. And then I throw on this denim button down. This is also from Old Navy. I've had this for years and years. You've probably seen it in some of my other videos. But I like to throw it on like a jacket. A jacket for me is just going to be way too hot and way too bulky. I'm not going to be able to drive long distances with a heavy jacket on, so I'll just throw this. Any type of shirt jacket will be perfectly fine because if you get too hot, I can literally just take this off and I'll be way more comfortable having just my tank showing, or if we run out of the car and have like, a break or catch something to eat while we're on the road. But it's a really cute tank. I absolutely love it. It has the rainbow right in the center. I love the Beatles, like I said. So this is just a really cute outfit that's going to make you look put together while you're driving, in case you do stop for lunch or you stop, and take a mini break, or maybe there is a spot that you would like to stop off of before you head to your main destination and you want to look cute and stylish. So this is outfit number 1. So guys, this is my second outfit that I chose. You know that I love my t-shirts, so of course I'll be probably wearing a graphic t-shirt. But typically what we like to do is we leave our house super early in the morning, so by the time we get to where we're going, we are starving and we're ready to stop for some breakfast. We usually stop off and have an early breakfast, which is where my travel outfit comes in hand, so I'll look super cute going to breakfast. But then after a while, maybe we'll do some sightseeing, stop off of a couple of stores, and then head back into the hotel or head to the hotel to check in. that is where I would freshen up and change into my second outfit of the day. So this outfit is going to get me through lunch and do some more shopping, more sightseeing maybe. So the outfit that I chose is this really cute graphic tee from a local market that I went to. It's a Chanel inspired t-shirt. It's so super cute. It's oversized. The material is super soft, and I just rolled up the sleeves a little bit, and I'm pairing it off with these really cute high-waisted mom shorts. I got these shorts from American Eagle, I think last year. They are very comfortable, but I wish I would have just sized up. These are a 29 and I probably could use a 30 because they're a little tight at the waist. But they're really cute. They have that frayed hem. They also have just a little distressing. There's like 2 little slits on the side, and I like them. They're just really super cute and they are comfortable. So I always tend to throw on a hat if I'm sightseeing. Obviously, I want to protect my skin, my face, and my hair from the sun if it's very hot. This straw fedora is so old. I can't even remember where I got it from, but it's literally my go-to hat. I wear it all the time. The shoes that I chose are these really cute sandals. I got these from Tevia. So I originally got these shoes because I thought we were going to go to like a water park, and I wanted to choose shoes that weren't gonna fall off my feet, and I knew that they can get wet, and I found these on Nordstrom's website. They were like $40, and so I picked up a pair in black. And I absolutely love them. They're so comfortable. It's like you're walking on marshmallows. They have a Velcro strap right here. They come in a ton of different colors. I would love to get my hands on the white and the pink, but for now I just settled with the black, and for this outfit I think it will look so cute. And then as my bag, I always have my go-to, it's like kind of like a fanny pack, but I use it as like a crossbody bag. I got this at Coach for my birthday last year. It fits a ton of stuff in it. If you wanted to wear it like this, you could. If you wanted to wear it across your body like this, you can. The straps are adjustable. It has a buckle right here. I absolutely love this. I wear this bag all of the time. So for me, this is a really cute shopping outfit, a really cute going out to lunch outfit for when you're on vacation. And again, it makes you look like you've put together and that you put some thought into your outfit, and it's so super stylish and affordable. So let's move on to outfit number 3. So guys, this is outfit number 3. So this is a great outfit if you're going out to dinner or you are spending some time outside during the evening, maybe catching some drinks. The outfit that I'm wearing is this super cute, comfortable, ribbed midi tank dress from Zara. I've been looking all over for a dress like this, and I finally found one at Zara. I've never shopped at Zara before, and I finally was able to pick up some really affordable pieces. They have some great basics there if you are interested. Now for me, I needed a size up in Zara. In a lot of my clothes, I'm a medium, but in Zara, I tend to like kind of borderline medium to large. This dress is a medium. You definitely are going to need to wear a strapless bra with it, or a bra that has like crisscross bands, because you will be able to see your bra strap because it has more of an inline neckline to the dress. But I absolutely love it. It's super comfortable. It comes like right below my knees, and I just paired it with this really cute Chanel inspired crossbody bag. I got this again at a market, and it's so cute. I've been looking for something like this. Again, it's super affordable. Right now I cannot afford a real Chanel bag, so I figured this would be a great inspiration, and I love the way the dress looks, and I would pair it off with my go-to favorite travel sandals from Steve Madden. I absolutely love these sandals. It would dress up the outfit completely. These sandals are like a gladiator inspired sandal, and they're so comfortable. Sometimes for me, gladiator style sandals could hurt my feet a lot. Like the straps start to really dig into my ankles or dig into the back of my feet, but these do not do that. I love these so much. These come in a couple of different styles. I think they have some that are tan, some that are black, the straps I mean, and even I think they have clear straps as well, and then it has just these silver studs. Absolutely love them. They wrap around my ankle, and if you wanted to be cute and throw on that fedora again, you absolutely can. I love choosing a black dress like this because it really helps slim your body and it makes you feel really comfortable. I really feel like everything's really cinched in. I'm not going to need to wear like an undergarment or like a girdle with this at all, especially in the summertime. It is so hot. Who wants to wear that at all? It's so uncomfortable. So for me, a dress like this really helps slim my body, makes me feel confident. And listen, you're on vacation, so have fun with the outfits that you're choosing. Make sure you pick outfits that really help you feel comfortable and good about yourself so you can enjoy your vacation and have a really good time. For the next outfit, we are going to head to the pool, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna actually try this on because it is a bathing suit and I don't know if I want to come on camera wearing a bathing suit quite yet. So I will hold it up for you for now, and then I will see if I'm going to show you the outfit styled. But for now, let's just show you what our fourth inspired outfit is, and we are going to be going poolside. So when I'm at the pool, I want to make sure that I have a bathing suit on that makes me feel really confident and really good about myself. Typically, when I'm on vacation, I'm at a hotel pool or at a family pool, I usually always wear a one-piece. But if I'm at the beach, I always wear a two-piece because listen, I'm never going to see any of those people again and I'm there to get a tan. But I found this really cute hot pink scrunched bathing suit. It's a one piece from PacSun and I absolutely fell in love with it. I didn't think I was going to be able to pull it off or it was something that I would be able to wear, but it looks so nice on. The style of it fits my body really, really well, and I feel like everything is really cinched together and it covers everything. So the bathing suit looks like this. Again, I will see if I'll try it on. Maybe I'll just show the top. I'm not sure, but I'm not quite comfortable wearing a bathing suit on camera yet. But it looks like this. It's hot pink. I hope it's coming like that off on camera. It has like this scrunch material. It actually reminds me of a costume that I wore in dancing school when I was like 4 years old. We had to wear a one piece like this. It's the same exact material, and then we had like the hot pink, the hula that went on top, that glue in the dark. It was so cute, but the straps are adjustable. The neckline is like a square semi-scoop neckline, has a really high leg area right over here that's going to really elongate your legs. You're going to look really tall and really, really nice. So I absolutely love this bathing suit. Like I said, it looks really, really good on. It's from PacSun. It was super affordable. And then for me as an overlay, I love to throw on like a linen tunic. This tunic is from J. Crew. I really wanted like just a white button down, and I couldn't find any that I wanted that I liked that was like soft and cotton and lightweight like this linen one. But I will use this as a cover up. Again, it just makes me feel like when I'm putting myself together for the pool that I'm actually thinking about the outfit that I'm wearing going to the pool. So then if we're there and we want to catch some lunch, or I want to sit and have some drinks with someone, and then I'll have just a really cute outfit put together that I would know I feel confident wearing. So I'm going to just go throw this on and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I threw on my bathing suit, and obviously I'm not going to show you what I look like in it, but it is super, super cute. It fits really, really, really well. And like I said, I threw on this white linen tunic, which I absolutely love. The hat is a really cute visor from Amazon. It has a cutout at the top where you can put your ponytail, which I love because I love to wear my hair up while I'm at the pool, but I also want to wear something that's going to protect my face. And this I got off of Amazon, and it's so affordable and cute, and it rolls and you can throw it into your bag and it'll just bounce right back into place. I just kind of like flipped it up a little bit so you can see my face in the camera, but I kind of like the way that it looks. It looks really cute. My go-to bag that I always use while I'm at the pool or at the beach is this really cute monogrammed beach bag that I got so many years ago. A friend gave it to me for my birthday. I think she got it for me. It's monogrammed. It's basically a Chanel inspired beach bag. I absolutely love this. My monogrammed name is right here, and it has these chain link straps. It is so cute. It has like a canvas beige material, and it goes with every single outfit that I wear to the beach. It's also so big. It fits so many things inside, and I absolutely love it. And it's really, really easy to clean. Now, I don't know if this bag is available anymore on their website. I haven't seen the website in quite a long time, so if I can get a link to it, if they still sell it or have it in stock, I will put it down below for you. Everything that I talk about in this video, I will put a link down below for you. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and you had some fun and you got some inspiration to just get out there and plan your outfits in advance if you're traveling or if you're going on vacation. It really is super fun to put things together and really make yourself feel confident and good about yourself if you're going on vacation. So for now, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you get an alert every time I make a new video. So for now, guys, I'll talk to you really soon. Bye.
might be the one that truly found me.